Attack. Attack. What the Magga do you know? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Attack.
Eh? Am I picking the berry? And you talk about the on your period? Bomba clock, man! Barry! What you doing with that?
Where the rated?
Barry! What you doing with that pussy wall?
Rated wall.
And you talk about you love me?
Jaja sees. Jaja knows. Boy, viewer subscribers, right now, my people, let me telling you something. Let me really telling you something now, my people, because on a real level here now, Zin, I'm here tell you see why? No, you see why you find so much things are happening in this world, in a Jamaica especially, my people, eh? No, you be a man now, my people, put yourself in this position right now for me. You can tell you about that little clip here, you know. 30 seconds what a clip me get, you know. Zin, the brother catch you, man. Big old fat man when they with man size you, man. Chocolate trailer load, man. When they with him big old dart up on the bed over the side in one corner. Big picking Zin. And the big old fatty now with the Magga man. And Magga man did them people naked in the bed. Big old chopped in fatty did them people. Zin Panny. And the man catch them. And the man say, you tell me say that the real man catch them and I say, yeah, I see your pee. You understand? You see that monthly time, something to my people. And she didn't like she comes and bust chups by man in the bed and the man raise him voice and like this. So you do me that and you tell me say you love me. And then that's when she get up. But what me have to say my people, you see how people wicked and people cruel? Eh? Some part in Jamaica them say go on. Some part in Jamaica me because the way the man attack at Jamaica. You understand my people? But me have to tell her this, my people. Eh? She managed to tell the man, you know. So she has CRP. And that woman a workless. And the man went at the bed too long thinking Magga footman workless too. What you mean if you workless too? Because what I'm saying now why I say workless, my people. It in the bed that's now. Oh, you feeling yourself now. Yo. You see, oh, all woman like you deserve to go to prison. You deserve to go to prison. Because woman with a big pitney, people. Me tell her say a big old picnic. All if a baby, she should never enter the bed and a gay man bun. I have him picked up on the bed over there, so. With the look at that thinking piece and how good fun did there, so. They bun me. Me no response. Some own woman too wicked and cruel. And a straight attack. Straight attack. Me say, me stay about my people and me looking up. Zin, and me see the, and I like the woman, you know, like say, yo, that woman is cruel, sir. You know, like, you know. Some you like catch a woman a cheat then, I give one. Zin, me never catch no woman a cheat. For my past relationship, them, me never catch none of me woman them a cheat. You understand? Never. But, me I say now, if you was a man now, I catch a woman a give one. Me know it go. You know, if I feel bed or a feel bed, me don't know the part they give a feel bed or human bed, Zin. But, like I am a the real man. Because based on the fact when you say, tell me, see I won't listen. Long Magga footman in a bed now. And the man catch it. As a woman, the woman even look frightened, the woman still bust chops pan the man in the bed. And when the man hear the man reel up him, get up. When you see a woman get up and like she got through, look up the door, when they look out the door to you know. Like a one called fall cub they live in there, you know. Or you mean if you look like a fall cub, that don't look good like an house. Like a circle out the thinking fall cub they live in there. Eh? And me I say she didn't even have the heart, we say, like she frightened her, she do her. If you know, say, honestly, brother, you wear a video, you need for your sense too. If you, I go feel like you're going to cry out and about, you tell me, see you love me, you're a punk. And that's the human there, so. And me can't, me not diss him. But me I say people, why me have to say this to him? See, anything, if, in a relationship, me tell him this, no woman, no rule, no man. You see, any boy, any man have woman, a rule them. When me talk about rule, you know, me mean like, you can't, if your woman do something wrong, you can't talk to her, or you can't have a, you know what I mean? As a man, you have to stand firm. And any of you not old soul and you can't stand firm as a man and be a man, you're not a man. See? Me not, when me say rule woman, Me no mean say rude woman where you beat them. Me no say real woman where you cheat upon them. Me no say real woman where you treat them like garbage. Me mean say you is the head of the house as a man. Zin, take care of woman, take care of youth. You understand? Woman have to treat you right, you treat her right. Zin, but what me mean is, you also woman. Then get up, then go where them feel like, then do what them feel like, then treat man like piece of shit. They say anything will come out of their mouth to the man. Zin, like them the part and them the situation, the people, it is totally different. So when me attack now, for them, that you get what me I say, people, them type of man, you know, it's a different situation, the people. We are different. Then, so yo, no man no sit down and take certain things. Because right now, people say me feel like we. You see the woman still manage to in the bed, you know. Lie down on her back, you know, on the belly, you know. And bust chops, you know, my people. Bust chops. And the picnic they over there in the corner. No. No. I not support that, my people. I not back that. And a straight attack. Then straight attack, and I say the woman need to get locked up. Them need to lock her up. What do you mean they need to lock her up? They need to lock her up. You know what they need to lock her up? Negligence. You cannot have a picnic, big picnic, over there, and while you're doing something like this. This is totally disrespectful. And any law, you understand, it is when they see, like for the children advocate or whatever them have in Jamaica, and them send this to them, they need to take the child away from you as a mother. You don't deserve to have your child. I'm telling you straight up, from me, the attacking boss personally, you don't deserve to have your child. You don't deserve that. Yes, totally garbage. Yes, totally a waste. And yes, totally a consumption, a ramsumption, and a jamsumption, a gumpsumption, a cumsumption. Boom! You understand? Attack for you. Worthless, champ said, I'm not talking bad against no fat woman. Me love fat woman and me love big woman. But for this one here, me not love this one here. For this one here, I straight attack my people. Eh? This is a workless one. I want a workless one. Eh? Over there in a bed. Eh? Me no matter what the bunny hanging, but worthless part about it, you big old picking over there, so. In the corner. While you there with bunny man lie down in a bed. No, sir. Nah, cynics people, crow bait. You understand? Some people are call it canker. Really and reality, my people, are not joke thing this. Fire upon that. Fire. Lightning and, yo, I truly even know. But people big up on themselves and more love, more respect and more blessings. And thanks to the love, thanks to the support, my people. The like, the share, and every comment. You don't know, see a one team, a one dream, and a one scheme. And just remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe, my people. Follow me on the Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, something there. You don't know, attacking boss of people. Peace out. What am I tell you? Jaja sees, Jaja knows. 1 lights out, 2 lights out. I'm out. Blessings. Peace out.